guys, welcome back to our channel. Today I've got Chloe, Lucy and Freya, and we have come to Tulleys. It's 6:30 and we've booked to come pumpkin picking. Can I get a wheelbarrow? We only need one, don't we? So we've got our wheelbarrow. Where are we going? No idea. This way, I think. Put it down a bit. Franny, you getting your I'm not seeing it now. I forgot that was a weird. Put it down. Oh my god. Let's go. It's a bit wonky. Did you see that? Oh my lace is undone. Tip it up. Mum, go. Okay, stop. You see how much it falls when you sit. You know the pumpkins will have gone off by Halloween. I think in all got it because I don't want it to. Excuse me. Right, let's go. Brilliant. Can't actually play the piano. Doesn't work. Yeah. Sounds yours. Lily, come back. I'm not quite sure what they're doing over here. Can't even see them. It's a bit dark over this bit. Oh. Pull back, yes! Freya, you're in the... I don't want to sit in there. Yeah, sit on Lucy's lap. Freya, go! Okay. You see me rolling. Go. You're fucking screaming. Where's the bar? When your legs don't go. Oh, it's cold water. It's a bath. Mouldy pumpkin. Mouldy water. There is water. Oh. Ready, Mum? Why are people screaming? I was just going to say why are people screaming, then I scream, so. Get into that bit. Yeah, everything skills on fire, right? It's trying to get moving. Hey. Nadia. Nadia. Hello. Oh my god.
Calm down, Jamal. My kids are listening to Kids Bar. Calm down, Jamal. There's a lot of broken pumpkins. Kids are listening to Kids Bar.
So this is our wheelbarrow so far. We don't have a pumpkin, but to be honest, I mean, look, can you see? Can you spot the pumpkins?
You can see the pumpkins, thanks.
There's not actually many pumpkins here, so we're hoping that if we go a bit further over there, there might be some more, and everyone's picked these ones here. The ones that are here are all sort of smashed and broken, so let's see if we can find some over there then, girls.
I want a bubba. A bubba. Or do a trick and get the ring. Yeah, get ring. Oh, notifications.
It dropped your phone.
My camera.
Do you want me to put it in my bag?
Hold on. Oh no! It's fine. It's peaceful. Okay, smile. Oh, someone hold the end so I can get it inside. Isn't it food? Okay, there's a little child here. We don't want to take a picture. I'm just scared of Mum. I thought it was Mum. I thought it was my mum. Hey, listen, let me get in the wheel. No, I'm getting in the bag. How do we get out? Roll out. Lift me up! My hand's in pumpkin shape. Come on that way! Lift me up! Get out! Mum, your jumper's ruined.
Goodness sake.
Bit slippery. I will do this. Wait.
Right, they've gone off over there.
We're still here, we haven't gone yet.
But you are going to see if there are any. Oh look, there's some more pumpkins there. See if there's any decent ones over there for them. What have you got?
I don't know.
I can't see.
It's a lemon.
Freya, can you just shine the torch on Chloe? Is it just a baby one? It just
It's a lemon.
Yeah, no, it's a pumpkin. Just hasn't grown yet.
Oh, lemon. I picked it.
A bit late now.
We found another good one.
That's one. Finally got one pumpkin.
I want that one.
No,
Got no stalk.
it's alright. Doesn't need a stalk.
Oh, we found loads that didn't have a stalk and we still left them.
That doesn't matter. So that's 2 pumpkins.
We've got
So
2 pumpkins.
we need one more.
I want to find a tiny little baby one.
Is that our 3rd one?
Yeah, that's enough. We found 3. Whew. I did this one. I don't really care. You got this one.
Right, so is that it then? Chloe's just tipped the wheelbarrow up and they've all fallen out. It's such a wally.
Don't worry, they haven't become squash.
They haven't become squash. Oh, good
So
one.
funny, I know,
Good
right?
one.
So funny. It's so funny to see that be like, no, we can't find any. We're sitting in the click cut to sitting in the car. We bought some.
We've been to Waitrose.
We've been to
There's lots of. Ow! Chloe! She just ran that into my heel. No. Yeah, so there's lots of. What I was going to say was there's lots of pumpkins over this bit. Loads.
Will you marry me? We'll sound a little break. He's a snack. A pumpkin snack. He's a pumpkin pie. Will you be the pumpkin for my pie? Yes.
There's lots of these ghouls just hanging around. Oh, hi there. Another little skeleton thing here. We made a friend, girls.
No,
made a friend.
Exploring! You can't even see. Pumpkins. I'll go down there.
Can I have a pumpkin, please?
Pumpkins! Pumpkins! Everyone say pumpkins! Pumpkins! Pumpkins!
Chloe, what are you doing?
I want to go down there.
Right, they've just gone down there into the woods. I'll give it 5 seconds. Yeah, Lucy's already back. You scared already?
I can't see anything.
Oh, yeah.
You were
There's
down
the
there
other two. They'll be back in about 2 seconds.
Coming back?
Yeah, I knew they wouldn't last long.
It's not my mum. There's nothing down there.
Yeah. You just got scared and come back.
There's nothing down there. Film us.
Is it filming?
Hey, Mum.
Wait.
You got it? Hey, fella. Do it the Claire way. Oh, it's next one. Someone likes to cut. Sit in the butterfly. There's no basket here. I don't want to sit in it. Look at your wife there. Oh, she's eating corn. Look. Right in the basket. Just be looking for pumpkin. Oh, bloody hell. There's a bird.
Right, I think we're going to go and get something to eat. Yeah? Let's get something to eat. It's quite a big queue for donuts. Do you want to get in the queue then, yeah? Oh, I can. Thought I could. So I just queued up all that time and for donuts, and I haven't got any. So I got this instead. Instead, this is a halloumi and chipotle taco. There's 2 of them, so can I have that instead?
Loads of photos. Loads of photos for Insta.
What are you doing? I'm filming.
I know.
Oh. You're just going to stand there. You look like one of the actors with that face. Someone behind you.
It's called Freya.
Come on, slow coach. Oh, what's this? Yeah? Okay. I'm done.
I can't jump there.
Try to see if you've grown. No, she's just over 5 foot.
I'm wearing shoes though. We're not 5'5".
£4'1". If you didn't find any in the pumpkin fields, they have got boxes and boxes and boxes of all different size pumpkins by the exit, so fear not, you can get one. Going in search of cake now because we couldn't get our donuts. I don't think it's open. Oh, for goodness sake. The cake place is shut now.
What are you eating? Oh, it's in both ways.
I've just added in some of these little ones. Off to buy our pumpkins. Oh, some apples, marrows. Right, go on in.
You go first.
We've got the 2 small ones. You can just get the 3 up there.
And then put them up there then.
Pop it down there for me. So it'll be £10 for all 5.
Yeah, wait, I don't think that one was. Wait, should I just hold a tiny one? I'm just hold a tiny one. Mum, you're not even filming us. You're just filming. Oh, wait, there you go.
Okay, I can't see, can I? So we're all done now at Tulleys. We've had a lovely evening. Yes, Chloe. We've got our pumpkins. So our pumpkins are, I don't think you can see them. Chloe, hold the pumpkin up. There. I think all our pumpkins were £3 each, and then my 2 little ones were 50p each. So that's good. So I hope you enjoyed the video, and we'll see you all next time. Bye.
Peace.